Hi guys, Sang here, and in this video we'll talk about crypto airdrop scams. What are the types of crypto airdrop scams and how we can avoid them. But before that, please subscribe to this channel so that we can create more crypto airdrops tutorial. Ayan. Airdrop scams are fraudulent schemes where scammers promise us to give free cryptocurrency tokens but with malicious intentions. Kasi 'di ba, yung mga legitimate na airdrop like what we're doing on our tutorials, we are doing certain tasks. So gumagawa tayo ng mga tasks like i-follow yung social media accounts nila, yung daily sign-in, so that we can get free tokens or free points. However, kasi dito sa mga airdrop scams, their main goal is that they're trying to steal our personal informations, yung private keys natin, like yung 24 or 12 na passphrase, and even get money from us. Diba? Imagine nyo guys, we are trying to get free money by doing crypto airdrops, but these scammers are trying to get money from us. Ang unfair, 'di ba? That's why this is very important, guys. You must be very careful. You must watch the whole video so that you know the tips and tricks on how to avoid. So here are the types of crypto airdrop scams. Number 1, phishing. Yung phishing kasi is one of the most common types of airdrop fraud, which means that scammers are trying to create fake websites or fake social profiles to mimic legitimate na projects. Like, what they're doing is that they're trying to send us emails or messages with phishing links, and then if you guys click on that phishing links, connected your wallet address, or even entered your passphrase, they can steal your funds, or they can steal whatever assets you have on your crypto wallet, 'di ba? That's why napakahalaga talaga guys na hindi nyo dapat binibigay or ipinapakita yung private keys ninyo sa ibang tao. Dapat kayo lang ang tanging nakakaalam. And then marami guys, marami mga phishing airdrops at marami na ang mga victims ng phishing na airdrops. Kaya wag po kayo basta-basta magkiklik ng links na hindi nyo familiar. Yung mga links sa email ninyo, dapat lagi nyong vini-verify yung legitimate na links. Yan. Number 2 natin is malware. What is malware? Malware naman is that when the scammers are trying to force you to download certain softwares, malicious apps, and once you have downloaded that fake or fake sites or fake applications or fake software, they can steal your informations, they can steal your wallet address, or even get money from you, 'di ba? Number 3 natin, what we have here is advance payment airdrop. Yung advance payment airdrop, so sa pangalan naman no, maaano agad natin na yung mga advance payment airdrop scams is that they're trying to they want you to pay money or tokens in advance so that you can get their free cryptocurrency. So hindi siya totally free. So, dapat talaga pag sumali kayo sa airdrop, sa mga crypto airdrops, kahit anong project pa man yan, wag na wag po kayo basta-bastang magbibigay ng funds or magta-transfer ng funds doon sa address na sinasabi nila. So, kasi nga 'di ba tayo ang gustong kumita ng free money, pero tayo naman ang magsisend ng pera sa kanila, sa mga scammers, that's a big no. So, you should not pay tokens or money in advance so that you can get that free cryptocurrencies na sinasabi nila. Never ever send out money kahit kanino, lalo na sa mga hindi nyo kilalang tao sa crypto space, Twitter, Telegram, Facebook. Yan, maraming groups dyan. Marami ang pwedeng mag-PM sa inyo na ganito ganyan, makakuha ka ng maraming tokens kapag nagbigay ka or nag-send ka ng funds doon sa address nila. Wag na wag niyong gagawin yan, guys. Please lang. Kailangang mag-ingat kayo, 'di ba? Number 4 naman is impersonation. What is impersonation? Impersonation, simple lang naman na yung mga scammers, ginagaya nila yung mga certain influencer or mga sikat na tao sa crypto para lang makapang-scam sila. So, gagamitin nila yung profile na yun. Pwedeng ma-hack yung profile ng certain personality na yon, and then they will use that profile to scam other people, or pwede lang sabihin na um, mag-invest ka sa project na to, magbigay ka ng funds, yung pera mo or yung funds na isi-send nyo is dodoblehin nila. No. Kailangan lagi kayong mag-research, guys. Huwag na huwag kayong papadala sa mga sinasabi ng iba na mag-send ka ng money, like $100, dodoble yan after 2 hours. Huwag na huwag po kayong magpapaladala sa mga ganyang klaseng scenario, sa mga ganyang klaseng scam kasi um, yun, airdrop scam yun. So, impersonation, like, halimbawa naman, yung nahack na account ng personalidad na yan is that nag-send siya ng link sa inyo na mag-join ka sa airdrop na to, promising yung project na to, and then, ang gagawin mo lang is i-connect yung wallet mo or ilagay yung passphrase mo. Wag na wag niyong gagawin yun, guys. Please lang. Lagi naming sinasabi dito sa crypto space na never ever send out your private keys, your passphrase to other people. Dapat it is only you who knows your passphrase para safe at secure yung crypto assets ninyo. Okay? Then, now, paano naman natin may iwasan yung mga ganitong klaseng airdrop scams? Number 1, verify authenticity. Malalaman natin, guys, kung legit yung projects, yung crypto airdrop, kung meron silang social profiles, meron silang websites, meron silang may mga team sila, and then active yung team members nila na mag um, update sa social channels nila, mayroong improvements sa projects nila, 'di ba? Yun yung mga legit na projects. Malalaman naman natin kasi kung halimbawa may nag-send sa atin ng token na, uy, ito salihan mo, tapos nakita mo wala silang mga social channels, kunti lang social channels nila, wala silang website. Kasi guys, hindi siya naka-base yung legit na projects, hindi siya naka-base kung gaano karami yung followers mo, yung followers nila sa social profiles nila. Kasi yung mga followers naman, pwedeng ma-fake, pwedeng i-boost, pwedeng maging bots yung followers, 'di ba? Kailangan talaga may mga nag-i-engage sa projects, ayun. And the number 2 natin is never share your private keys or passphrase. Ito lagi nating sinasabi na wag yung i-share kahit sa mga project or kahit kanino nagsasabi na and guys, number 2 is never share your private keys. Ito lagi naming sinasabi nga na yun nga, wag niyong i-share yung private keys ninyo para hindi kayo ma-scam, hindi kayo mawalan ng funds, or hindi maubos or hindi manakaw yung assets na meron kayo sa crypto wallet ninyo. Number 3, research the projects. Yun, so parang i-verify lang din yung authenticity, i-research yung project. Kung nakita nyo, guys, na yung project na yan ay marami siyang partnerships, marami ang nagpo-promote sa kanya ng mga influencers na malalaking tao, o kahit sabihin natin ng mga simpleng hunters lang, simpleng airdrop farmers lang. Basta may team members, active sila sa mga social channels nila, laging may updates, it's good to go. So, pwede niyong salihan yung mga ganang projects. Basta, hindi ka magbibigay ng pera in advance. Ayan na, okay. So, number 4 natin is beware of unsolicited messages. Yung mga unsolicited messages naman, ito yung mga bigla-bigla lang nagdi-DM sa'yo, bigla-bigla lang nagsisend ng link sa'yo na, uy, salihan mo to dahil magandang project to, ito yung link, ganito yung gagawin mo, mag-connect ka ng wallet mo, iligay mo yung passphrase mo, wag na wag mo yung gagawin kasi um, pwede mo naman i-check actually. Pwede mong i-check kasi yung may mga airdrop farmers naman na gusto lang talaga nila magkaroon ng referrals, kaya sila nagsisend ng mga links nila. Pero it's up to you. You have to do your research. Kailangan mo pa rin i-research yung project na yon from unsolicited messages or unknown people na nag-send sa'yo ng links tungkol sa airdrops na yan. Malay mo, maganda rin pala yung projects na nisend niya, 'di ba? So, dito kasi sa airdrop guys, lagi naming sinasabi na do your own research. Kasi yung mga information na binibigay namin, hindi naman yun sapat eh. It's your choice. It's up to you kung nagre-research ka din talaga. So, you have to do your research. Ano pa sabi? Trade at your own risk. Join at your own risk. Yun lang. Basta ang mahalaga dito guys, ito lang. Dalawa lang yung parang tips ko sa inyo para hindi kayo ma-scam. Una, wag na wag magbigay ng funds or money kapalit ng free cryptocurrencies na sinasabi nila sa'yo. Number two naman is wag na wag i-share yung passphrase, yung 24 or 12 na passphrase. Wag na wag niyong ibibigay yon kahit kanino. Wag na wag niyong i-connect yung wallet address nyo, okay? Para hindi kayo ma-scam. At pwede rin kayo guys mag-create ng wallet ninyo na para lang sa mga airdrops. Wallet A is for main crypto assets na meron ka. Wallet B is for airdrop. So, mahalaga na mag-create ka ng account na for airdrop purposes only para safe yung assets mo sa main wallet or sa wallet A mo, 'di ba? Or if you want more crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial, you can also join to this channel. We are always posting, actually, we have a lot of crypto airdrops with step-by-step tutorial para isa ka rin sa pumaldo sa crypto airdrops. And shout out kay Kuya Jason na napaka-supportive. Thank you so much, Kuya Jason Alhambra, for supporting and for watching my videos. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye!